What makes a food truck profitable? So if you're looking to create a food truck business or you've already launched one and you want to find out what exactly makes it profitable to run this type of business, I'm going to give you 12 specific things in regards to strategically planning out your success. Yes, you can do that. These 12 things are really super important when it comes to profitability. We're going to dive into those 12 on what makes a food truck profitable right now. All right, welcome back to Food Truck Freaks. Definitely hit the subscribe button if you are a food truck or mobile food entrepreneur looking to launch a food truck business or a mobile food business. My name is Damian Roberti. I am a food entrepreneur. I've been in the food industry for the better half of 30 years. I've actually owned my own food business now, online and in my Italian bakery and all kinds of local mobile food businesses for about 13 years now with my wife, Sylvia. So let's dive right into these things. I'm going to give you 12. These are in no specific order because honestly, all 12 of them are super important. And you can implement these one at a time or all of them at the same time. Let's dive right into it. Number one, unique and high quality offerings. Now, you've probably heard this before, but stand out by offering unique, high quality food that actually caters to a specific niche or a trend even. Now, keep in mind, you are the one running the show. At any point in time in your business or your career of owning your own business, you can change your menu. You don't have to stick to a menu forever. You can alternate, you can evolve, you can change, you can add stuff to it or take it away. This can mean gourmet food, ethnic cuisine, or even fusion dishes that aren't readily available in your area, so that makes you standing out. Number two, location and mobility. So strategic location selection is critical. You definitely, of course, want to hit high foot traffic areas like business districts, colleges, events, festivals that can boost your sales. Mobility allows you actually to shift from location to another based on the demand in the season. That's one huge benefit compared to a brick and mortar restaurant that food trucks can actually offer. Number three, cost management. This is crucial no matter the type of food business, but particularly in food trucks. And let me tell you why. You want to definitely keep a tight rein on costs without compromising the quality of the food that you're going to be serving. Now, this can include food costs, of course, fuel, labor, and maintenance. Buying ingredients in bulk, if you're a newcomer to food truck industry, that's going to be a huge way to optimize recipes for cost effectiveness. It's known as efficient staffing can actually help as well. These are small little steps, but they have huge impacts on your bottom line. So cost management is something you need to keep an eye on 24/7. I do that still even with my business. Every little bit that we can kind of cut corners, but of course not cut the quality of the food, I do it. Number four, branding and marketing. Now, a strong, recognizable brand is consistent on social media presence that can actually attract customers, believe it or not. Using platforms, of course, like Twitter, Instagram, to share your location, menu updates, and engage with your community can actually increase your bottom line and can be a great way to optimize your profitability. A lot of people kind of overlook that, believe it or not. I see a lot of food trucks that don't have much of a social presence at all, but there's a lot of other ways to make money even outside of the food truck if you go on social media. Number five, customer experience. Fast service, of course. Customers do not like to stand in line at a food truck event. If there is a truck that has a smaller line, people will just shift right over there and go to that truck. A friendly attitude, a clean truck as well, inviting environment can turn first-time customers into regulars, especially in a local community. Consider the overall experience from the customer's perspective. If you have great food, but your service is bad, guess what? Customers aren't going to come back. But if you've got great service and your food is bad, again, customers aren't going to come back. So the two really have to work together. There has to be a little bit of synergy between what you're making and how you're serving it. Number six, menu simplicity and speed. Now, a simple, focused menu can reduce wait times, minimize waste actually, by the way, and streamline your operations. I can attest to this actually with our type of food business. Much of what we make, believe it or not, a huge variety of what we make, come from the same ingredients, just prepared or created differently. That's something that is great. Fast service, of course, is especially important in a food truck setting where customers often expect quick turnaround time. They don't want to stand in line all day. Number seven, adaptability. Now, being able to adapt your menu, which is something that you need to do. Keep in mind, don't stick to just one menu. If you can alternate through seasons, you're going to be in business 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And that's going to be huge. Operations, locations based on customer feedback, seasonal ingredients, even sales data can keep your business fresh and relevant, and you need to adapt as time goes on. Number eight, catering and private events. This is huge revenue offerings for food trucks. Expand your business model to include catering for private events, office, or even weddings. You can actually provide an additional revenue stream and marketing opportunities if you do this, because you're reaching a lot of customers at one single time as opposed to one individual customer at a time. Number 9, health and safety standards. Of course, whether or not you believe this, but profitability depends on adhering to local health and safety regulations, not only to avoid fines, which cost you money, but also assures customers about the quality of your food. Regularly train your staff and inspect your truck to maintain high standards is a big one. Number 10, networking and community engagement. Building relationships with local businesses and participating, of course, in community events, collaborate with other food trucks even, can create synergies that open up new opportunities for growth. Number 11, technology use. Utilize a point of sale, of course. These systems are very efficient for transactions, inventory management, even software to track supplies and costs. And there's even apps to allow customers to order ahead of time or locate your truck at a certain event. These actually can be profitable, again, because if you bring these all together and you utilize them, they can help you make even more money. Number 12, and finally, customer feedback and data analysis. Now, it sounds kind of technical, but believe it or not, actively seeking out customer feedback and using sales data to understand what sells best and when, this can actually help refine your menu, adjust your locations for better profitable places to go, and improve your marketing strategies. So each of these factors actually contribute to creating a memorable brand and a big dining experience for your customers. If you have questions about this, let us know down below, and check out these additional resources here on Food Truck Freaks. We'll see you on our next video.